Hi everyone, today I am going to share with you the method to create a multi-level list in Microsoft Word. So to begin with, you have to go to this paragraph section of the ribbon bar and select the option called multi-level list, and then you go to this define new multi-level list option. Here you go to new dialog box. From here you select the first level of the multi-level list and then come to this enter formatting for the number. Just remove whatever it is there, and then from here select number style for this level. Select 1 2 3 as a number and then put a dot in the end. Now link the first level to linked level to style as heading 1 from the drop down menu. Okay, now this is looking very small, so I would like to change it to a little bigger size. I will select 16 bold, and the font size in both of these areas you will keep the same. Click OK. Go to the second level, again remove this one, and now you have to include the previous level also. So select this option, include level number from level 1, put a dot, and then come to number style for this level, and again select your numbering style, desired numbering style. So it is 1.1. Now from here assign this to heading 2. Go to the font, 14 bold, and then click OK. Third level again, remove this one, include level 1 dot, level 2 dot, and then select number style for this level as 1 2 3. Now again assign this to heading 3 and you are done. Let's click OK and check if it is working fine. So let me go back to make it clean again. Okay, so let's apply to Afghanistan. I will select heading 1, it is 1. Now if I apply to Ethiopia, the same level 1 heading, it will give 2. Nigeria 3. Now in between, if I apply the second level heading 2, let's apply to Kenya, it should give 2.1 because the above number is 2. So 2.1. Now apply to Nepal, it should be 2.2. Yeah, and now let's check on the third level, Philippines 3.1. Now apply the third level to Senegal and it's give 3.1.1. Zimbabwe should give 3.12. There you go, it is working fine. So this is how you define a multi-level list in Microsoft Word. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.